Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny apps to set alarms and schedule time sensitive actions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access. Now in special access, scroll down and click on alarms and reminders. So here it will show you the list of apps that can use or act sensitive actions in alarms and reminders. So if you want to allow the app to set alarms and reminder time sensitive action, then turn on its button. And if you want to deny the app to set alarms and reminders time sensitive action, then tap on its button to turn it off. So with these buttons you can allow or deny apps to set alarms and reminders time sensitive actions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.